Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how this limited edition Beautybigbang anniversary stamping kit box. It comes like this in a little box like this. On the side that says Beautybigbang, it has the code to enter the store. This is the product number. Let me see. No, that's not it. Oh, it doesn't have the product number, but I will put the product number on the screen, and I'll link this exact box in the description box too. So this is the limited edition stamping kit. It is a 17 piece, and I'm gonna open it. It comes like that. This comes in an organza bag, but I took it out because I wanted to see what was in it. And I also got this book right here. They also have a few other stores. So this is their official website. They also have an AliExpress store, Amazon store, and then if you're in different countries. In this box, it's a 17-piece box, and this is $21.99, but I do also have a coupon code for y'all. So if you want to use the coupon code, it'll be up here somewhere. And you do get 10% off your entire order. Okay, so in this box you do get a case, a small case. These are so pretty. This is my first small one. It has the double. And then it has the little sleeves. And these are double-sided. Oh, I love that you can put one in one. So that way it won't be two in one sleeve. That's cool. Put that aside. Alright, let's just put it right here. You also get a stamper and a scraper. Here's the scraper. I hope they change their design because this is a Christmas one. Hopefully they'll change it to a different one. Put that in there. And then you also get a stamper. This is a little 1-inch. I'm going to use that right now. So we're going to put it over here. And then you also get some stamping plates in this box. You get 6 square ones and 8 circle ones. So let's see these right here. These are the square ones. Holy crap. I'm going to put the box over here to the side. So this is the first one. This is 023. And it's like a flowers theme with like flower pots. So cute. An ice cream one. I think I'm gonna use this one right now. Number 27. I love this one. It's so cute. I'm gonna put it to the side because maybe I'm gonna use that one. This is a water, like an ocean. Oh, that's a whale. I thought it was a mermaid. You get whales, fishes, waves, boats. This one, another flower theme. This is 24. This is number 26. It's a cat theme. My niece loves cats. I'm gonna try to go fast because I don't want this video to be too long. Butterfly theme, number 25. We have 3, wait, is that it? Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah. So those are the square ones, so I'm gonna put those right there. And then here are the smaller ones. These are the circle ones. You get 8 of these. This one's BBB 011. BBB 012. This is so pretty. This one is BBB 017. This is the butterfly and flowers. I love these flowers right here. This one is 014, another flower theme. This one is 13. So pretty. And then we have 15. This is such a pretty plate. I don't have anything like this one. I like this design right there. It's number 16. And then the last one is the Easter plate. I saved that for last because I'm going to use this one in a different video. Number 18. I love the little duck, the egg with the bunny holding it, another bunny, the bunny ears, the bunny going down the hole, rabbits. It says Happy Easter and some eggs right there. So cute. So those are the 8 circle plates you get. And these fit in here as well, look. You can put these in here and these. They both fit perfectly fine in here. So I'm going to put all these in there at a later date. So this is the stamping plate I decided to use. It's number 27. It has cute ice creams all over it. It's perfect for stones. And then these are the colors I used for my base. I'm going to also use black stamping polish. And I'm going to use a little stamper that came with it. So I just want to talk about this little stamper real quick. It's so cute. It's so easy to work with. The only thing is that if you have super long nails, like I have long nails, but they're not super long. But if you have long nails like me or longer than mine, it's so hard to hold this little tiny stamper. I rather use the big circle ones that they have. But nonetheless, it worked good. I didn't have any trouble picking up any of the images. So I kept using it. I liked how it worked. So I'm going to leave y'all with the rest of the video. Be sure to use the coupon code and at checkout so you can get 10% off of your order. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll be sure to hit the little bell so you can get notified of my next video. Bye.